Hey everybody, Beacatron here again. Got another item from Zegzoot that I'm really excited about. We have a front bed Molle panel, as well as the side bed Molle panel. Not really exactly sure why this piece of paper says the front bed Molle panel, but these are actually for the sides. So I'm actually looking forward to getting these installed and see what they look like. My benefit of this is going down and looking at the bed of the truck. So the front bed one installs up here. They actually give you a tool to take those off, which is really cool of them to send that tool. I'll show that here in just a second. But the front bed Molle panel goes here, and the sides, of course, over there, and on the opposite side over here. It might interfere with the lighting a little bit in the bed of the truck. I'll have to wait and see how that looks to give any input on that. But the one thing I can say is I go on hunting trips and needing to tie coolers and other items down. A lot of times the original bed tie downs and even the rails being adjustable aren't enough, especially for like coolers and things like that. So I'm looking forward to installing these and seeing how they work about tying coolers in. So let me get them installed. It's a little more technical of an install, and let me get back to you after I'm done, show you what it looks like, and maybe show you what it looks like with a cooler tied down, just to give you an idea how I'm going to use it. So here's the front bed Molle panel before I get it put together and attached. Here's that tool that I was telling you about to take the bolts out of the bed up there, the original ones. Pretty cool they sent that. These things made out of a good quality metal and they're heavy, so they're going to be very durable to be able to use as tie downs and to tie things to them for hunting and fishing trips, things like that. Looking forward to the side ones for maybe holding fishing poles. Really looking forward to these. So let me get them installed and get back with you. So here is the front Molle panel installed, and it definitely isn't going anywhere. Listen to the instructions carefully. The instructions will tell you, where they may not mention it, do not tighten the screws all the way until you're completely done. It did take some adjusting to get some of the bottom screws in, like this one and this one, and it was one of the top ones I had to adjust the bracket a little bit, just as some extra flair, because I thought it looked good. I actually went in and spray painted with some black Rust-Oleum over the shiny metal. That's just my preference. Don't like it tough. I like it. I did run into an issue with these. I had to take a razor knife and cut the spray-on bed liner out from around them before the tool would fit into them for me to make that come loose. So have to watch out for that if you have the spray-on bed liner. But I was able to get them loose, get them installed, and I'm pretty excited. And then just to show it from a little further out, here's what it looks like. That's all the time I had for today to get that one in. Tomorrow I'm going to work on the side panels